What's up YouTube? It's your camera boy Jonah and welcome to this series called Life of a Party Videographer. In this series I'll show you some behind the scenes and also I will pop up on the screen like this sometimes to give you guys some tips. Check out the previous video for the end of the movie. Now let's go! Alright, so day one. Today is actually gonna be a pretty busy day because there's like a pool party and then there's some famous DJ coming around and I need to shoot like a vlog of him, so it's gonna be quite busy. Also, this place is, to be honest, pretty cool, so that's nice to film if like the location is nice. A little bit of a shitty thing though, the first night my Zhiyun Crane 2 died, some guy fell on it. I ordered now the DJI Ronin-S, but I didn't have a chance yet to try it out. So I'm actually now going to have to use this for the first time. It's always kind of annoying to have to like shoot for the first time with new equipment. Let's hope it works well. I'll let you guys know what I think, if I like the Crane more or if I like the DJI more. What else do I need to say? To be honest, I didn't check the manual, but so far I'm not a big fan of like this two-plated system with the Ronin. Because like with the Zhiyun you just have the one base plate that you attach, which I find is much easier to balance it, to have it like where you want it to be, because now you need to unscrew this one if you want to make like a small adjustment here and then screw those back on to make the adjustment further. What I do up about this gimbal though is finally I can see my screen, because with the Zhiyun Crane this thing is like right here, right where your screen is. DJI, this was a very good invention, although I think that Crane 3 now has like the same kind of setup, so you can also see your screen. Let's try to balance it further. Let's hope I get some stable shots. It's actually not perfectly balanced. I don't care about it too much because either way I'll be switching from 16 to 35 sometimes. And what that means is that like, because this lens it pops out, which is quite annoying, so the balance totally changes. So I just put it on 24. I kinda balance it, and then the motor should be actually strong enough to like fix it themselves. I think this is good enough. Yeah, let's turn it on and see how it goes. I think you need to turn this grip on first, which is the battery, and then the gimbal. As I said, welcome to the life of a party videographer where everything is kinda hectic, and if it breaks and the day after you need some new gimbal, you just need to figure it out on the spot how it works. But green lights, that's always a good sign, so yeah. I mean, it's working, I guess. What I don't like is like this super big lag, but you have like an app for this gimbal, which is I guess cool if you have the time to learn it. Like right now I don't have time, but I don't want to be checking YouTube to see how this works. It's kind of annoying that it's not really how I like it. Not like with the Zhiyun Crane, it was, I don't know, I just liked the way the gimbal moved. What's up, Ruben?
What's up, man?
Yeah, Ruben is one of my best friends. What's up, buddy? The boys! The boys! And he's here with me. We're gonna take some shots of Ruben in this club with the gimbal to try it out. Time for your modeling skills, right, Ruben.
Boy.
Although sometimes it's a bit overused, I do like the infinite roll or whatever they call it function. So I'm gonna try to find out, yeah, how you can do it, because like it has this app. I think you have to choose a setting in the app so you can use it. So that's what I'm going to try to figure out now. Okay, so I think I set it up in the app. Let's try it. So you put it in flashlight mode and you double tap this to like rebalance the gimbal. And now this joystick here should make the roll. I got my strap here, which is a bit annoying now. Double tap it to rebalance. Oh yeah, we got some rolling going on. Why doesn't he completely roll? Okay, so I fixed the issue why it wasn't rolling completely. So you have to go in flashlight mode, double tap, but you have to make sure that you're really in flashlight mode, not like this or something, like really straight. And then the roll goes 360 how we want it. So the pool party finally started. We were kind of bored and drinking some Somersby at the parking lot. Don't tell the organizers, they give us free booze anyways. So yeah. Yeah, with these opening kind of gimbal shots, it's always kind of cool to have like the logo of the company, the name of the event or whatever it is in there. You know, it's kind of like ad placement. They always appreciate it when you do this, so that's why I kind of shot like the name of the party, the flag where you see the name of the club again, showing that if you want to enter that you need a bracelet for it, so you need to buy tickets, etc, etc. So yeah, now I had to incorporate this DJ to make kind of a vlog out of it. Little tip here maybe is to like not start shooting straight away, but just go up to these people and introduce yourself, say that you're the videographer of the company. Most of the time they'll be happy to be in a video because they will be able to use it on their own social media platforms. And I have to say, in this scenario I was quite lucky. Jordan was actually a super chill guy. We had some drinks with him. Yes, really chill guy. It's not always like this, but in general so far everybody that I met who was like an artist was actually a really cool guy, except maybe like one or two. So in general, don't be afraid to just go up to them and start talking to them, because they're just actually humans, they travel a lot. So most of the time they're actually quite social and happy to meet new people in this scenario. You got the promo video from the winter pool. I mean, I'm gonna take my microphone. Yeah. Then we'll make a quick intro and then... Yeah, perfect. What's going on, guys? It's Jordan here. And Isobel. We've just arrived at Sunny Beach for the Cook's pool party, so bring it on. It's gonna be madness! Alright. Just arrived at Sunny Beach for the Cook's pool party, so bring it on, it's gonna be madness! So yeah, here in this clip where it's really hard to hear me, I'm actually talking about that I was flying my drone already for like a month without the controller, but just on my smartphone. I do not recommend this. It's really way more easy to fly a drone with the controller. So yeah, use it. Don't think that you can just do it on your phone. It's really much better to use the joysticks and the controller. Okay, so something else I noticed that I like much more about the Zhiyun crane too is this part. With the Zhiyun, it has a stick here and a stick here. So when you put it on a table, it stays stable. But this one, because it only has this one, only has like this one little stick. It's like not really stable when you put it down. It goes like this, or like, you know, it's kind of stable, but it's really wobbly. So yeah, that's something else I prefer so far about the Zhiyun crane. Alright, so live from a party photographer, videographer I mean. They just told me that they opened the room to get some shots from out of the room. The elevator isn't working, all this gear is very heavy. Here you see me taking the same shots kind of over and over, and also in some different styles. It's always a good thing to do, because then when you are in the editing room, you can choose which clip you prefer and which one matches the flow of the general video the most. Alright, going to try to take some crazy drone shots. So I just made a gimbal shot, and I want the gimbal shot to slide into the drone shot. So I'll have to handheld and let the drone fly from here to get it, but it's not a problem guys, let's do it. Yeah, as I said, one of the worst parts about this job is all the heavy people being like, hey, go film this room, take drone shots, go film this guy. And you're just like walking around like this, but you always still have time for a little dance. Jack and go. Nice, the best thing in the world. 60% Jack, 30% Coke. That's how you make it. That's how I do it. Cheers, my man. Some Jack and Coke. Nice.
You know it, the best thing in the world. 60% Jack, 30% Coke.
That's how you make it.
That's how I do it. Cheers, my man. Thanks, mate. To Sunny Beach, baby! Sunny Beach! It's for the hardest working guys here.
I appreciate it, man.
You guys deserve it.
Where's yours? Where's yours?
Mine's here.
Ah.
Yeah, we need to tune in. Yeah. Sunny Beach,
Sunny Beach! Ruben, focus! Time to switch some lenses. It's always kind of like cool if you can have more like a zoom lens, then you don't have to be in people's face, and they can just be kind of doing what they're doing without noticing that they're being filmed. But then they're way more natural. It's always more chill like this. What's up? What's up? Whoa, shit! You want me to get you on the camera? Alright, we go. We'll put this guy on the camera, and then sorry guys, Jack Dennis is hitting hard. Beach, baby!
Sunny Beach!
Why are you switching lenses? Get some more zoom on the people, because yeah, then you can just focus on one person, having a good time, without them like seeing that you're filming them, so they won't be shy or ashamed. Yeah. Whatever, it's a party, just big power. Yeah?
Why do you use women's deodorant?
Big power. Ruben, focus! Sometimes, you know, you have to kind of deal with some annoying people, and also like if you shoot events, like this is one of the reasons why you kind of have to charge a lot, and a lot of clubs or whatever, they don't understand this, but it's like a war zone, you know, this is a war zone for your equipment, so you need to charge enough that if some of your equipment breaks, it's not really a problem. Ruben, focus!
Alright, getting some balance in the drinks, you know, sometimes chugging some water.
Yo, can I get some water too?
The boys! No! The boys!
Yeah. Boom. Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
So guys, if you thought the pool pie was big, get ready for the biggest and baddest event in Sunny Beach tomorrow. Sunny Beach Live. I'm DJing for 2 hours. It's gonna go off. See you guys there tomorrow.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, and make sure to subscribe, because I think this series will be maybe 7 episodes, and maybe I will do like a couple more of these series actually, where I will do like real life jobs and take you guys along for the ride and give some tips and whatnot. So yeah, see you in the next one. Jonah out. Woo!